Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel at Akeem Ola. We have another question to destroy today, and the question we are going to solve today is somehow. If you look at the question, this question is honestly it's very challenging. It's very dangerous. As a matter of fact, I don't even know the English to use to qualify the question, but we are actually going to do justice to the question. But before we solve the question, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Akim Ola. You can also like and share my video, and at the same time, you can also comment on the comment section of this particular video. Now, let's go solving the question. We are giving something like this. How can we do it? If you notice, we have three terms on the board. We have the first term, second term, and the third term. Mm, mm. We have the first term, second term, and the third term. The second term and the third term are already simplified, but the first term is not yet simplified. We can simplify this 49 further. Of course, we all know, so I have solution. Of course, we all know that 49 is 7 raised power 2. So we are going to have 7 raised power 2 log 7 x minus 1 for the first one, minus the second one I have 5 log 5 3x, then plus the last one log, well, we have 10 log, we are going to change the base is not given here, so we assume the base is 10, so everything equates to 0. From here, there is a particular law that we have. Okay, we can still simplify this further. If you simplify this one further, we will have 7 log 7 x minus 1. This will become the power. We have 2 here. Then minus 5 log 5 3x. Then plus 10 log 10 5. Everything is equal to 0. Where do we go from here? There is a particular law that states that if you have something like this, when you have a and you have log a, then you cannot have anything inside the bracket. If you have something like maybe you have y here, that law of indices, that law of logarithm states that when the base and this power, this one here and the one here are the same, they will cancel themselves out. So the answer will now be equal to y. This is what we are going to observe while solving this. For us to observe that, you will notice that 7 is here and 7 is here. This one and this will cancel. So the answer there now will now be x minus 1 squared. Then minus 5 is here, 5 is also here. The two of them will cancel. We are left with 3x. Then plus, we have this one too, 10 is here. 10 is also here. It will cancel. We have 5 here. Is equal to 0. As you can see, the equation is now simplified. We only need to expand what is in the bracket. We have x minus 1, x minus 1. That will give us x squared minus x plus 1. That will now give us x squared minus 2x plus 1. So here we are going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here, we can now collect like terms. We can now collect like terms. When you collect like terms, what are we going to have? You have x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. That will eventually give x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 factors of 6. That means I'm going to have minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. So we are going to have here x squared minus 2x minus 3x. That will give us minus 5. And when you multiply them together, it will give us plus 6 is equal to 0. Then you can now pair them. What is common? X is common here. We have x minus 2. Minus 3, you have x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we are going to have What are we going to have? We are going to have x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So where do we go from here? We can come to this side now. That means we are going to have x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So our x now will now be equal to 2, or x is now equal to 3. This is the solution to this particular question. I'm also going to give you another question again today. And the question I want to give is that I want you to check back this answer, put the value of this x into this equation, and see if we are going to arrive at 0. I want to see your answer, your work is in the comment section of this particular video. We stop here for now and we take it off from here next time. Thank you for watching. God bless you.